Today's our topic is objective of management. That means why do we need management? Meaning objectives are the end towards which the activities of an organization are directed. Objectives are the ends toward which the activities of an organization are directed. Managerial objectives of an organization can be classified into three major categories. Managerial activity objectives. Number 1, organizational objectives, social objectives, personal objectives. So one by one we will learn. Number 1, organizational objectives. Organization, meaning these objectives aim at prosperity and growth of organization. The main objective or main aim at prosperity and growth of the organization. Generally, it is assumed at that profit maximization is the main objective of every organization. Profit maximization, but it is not true. The managers try to develop and attain variety of objectives in all management areas. So three important organizational objectives of the manager are: number 1, survival. The basic purpose of every organization is to survive and exist in the competitive market for a long period of time, and it is possible only when it is able to covers its cost. Number 2, profit. The most important objective of every organization is earning adequate amount of profit. Adequate, proper amount of profit. And profit is essential for survival, growth, and expansion of business. Profit is the reward given to businessman for bearing risk. Every organizational, the main motive is earning profit, earning adequate amount of profit. Number 3, growth. Business organization must grow and expand their activities. The success of any organization is measured by the growth rate, and growth is measured in terms of sale, number of branches, number of products, number of employees, etc. Growth is also important of an organizational objectives. Business organization must grow and expand their activities. The success of any organization is measured. The success of any organization is measured by growth. If the organization is developing day to day, then we can say that our objectives are very good. We are getting good target, and growth is measured in terms of sale, number of branches, number of products, number of employees, etc. Now the second is social objectives. Social objectives of the organization deals with the commitment of the organization towards the society. Business organizations are the part of society. They earn by using the resources of society, so they must do something for the society also. Social objectives of the organizations deal with the commitment of the organization towards the society. Welfare of society, and business organizations are the part of society. Business organizations are the part of society. They earn by using the resources of society, so they must do something for society also. So how the society is, the major social objectives of the organizations are: number 1, supply of quality products at reasonable price. First is supply of quality products at reasonable price. Every businessman supply good quality products at reasonable price, fair price. Number 2, contribution toward desirable civic activities. Contribution towards desirable civic activities, and generation of economic wealth. Generation of economic wealth and generation of employment opportunities, financial support to communities, and next is organizing education, health, vocational training programs. It is also important in the social objectives and participating actively in the social services projects of government and NGO. NGO means non government organization, and using environmental friendly methods of productions. And last one is providing employment opportunities to weaker section of society. Employment is very important because employment is a part of our life. Everyone wants employment. Employment is very important each and every life, weaker section of the society. Now third, personal objectives, human objectives, and individual objectives. There are three names: personal, human, and individual. Individual objectives are related to the employees of the organization, as employees are most important resources of every company. As employees are most important resources of every companies, and satisfied and motivated employees contribute maximum for the organization. Individuals objectives are related to the employees of the organization, as employees are most important resources. The employees are most important resources of every company, and satisfied and motivated employees contribute maximum for the organizations. So main individual objectives of management are: number 1, competitive salary to fulfill financial needs of employees; promotion, training, personal growth and development of employees to fulfill esteemed and other higher level needs of employees; peer recognition, self respect, respect for colleagues to fulfill social need; good and health working condition for safety of employees. The workers may lose interest in the work of their objectives are neglected. Management must try to integrate the personal objectives with the organizational objectives. That means personal objectives with the organizational objective. If personal objective will fulfill, then he will work in the organizations very good. If he has some problem or she has problem, so he only think about that. He will think about that. So management try to complete their needs, who is suffering from some problem. So objectives of management, organizational objectives, here 3 points come: survival, profit, and growth. First of all, we have to survive. We have to carry forward the business and make profit, and after that growth. That means growth means one branch you have, then you will set up another branch again. After some times you create another branch. Growth is important, but growth before we will make profit, and profit before you will survive the organizationals. You will survive the organization. First of all, we know it is that every business starting not giving profit. First of all, the partners and other members of the organizations work hard, and after some time it's giving profit. it's giving profit, and profit making after growth. And the next one is social objectives. Social objectives of management. Number first, quality products. Quality products with the welfare of social, and reasonable price. Also price will be reasonable, fair price, not taking too much and too less. Reasonable price. Third is employment opportunity. Employment opportunities. And fourth is economic wealth. Economic wealth. And next is education, health and vocational training programs. And last one is eco-friendly methods of production. So social objectives for the welfare of society. For the welfare of society, we will do such kind of work for the benefit of society, social person. Like first is quality products. Suppose that you are a shopkeeper. You are a shopkeeper, so you are providing quality products to the customers. Quality products to the customers, and reasonable price also. Reasonable price. And employment opportunities. Employment opportunity will be available when the company will be set up. The more and more companies or factories will be set up, then employment opportunity will be increased, and the employment will be increased, and economic wealth, and the persons will getting money, salary, wages, then his living condition, standard living will be increased. And education, if they have money, the people have money, then he will get good education to their children. And health also, health checkup, regularly health checkup, and vocational training programs. And last one is eco-friendly method of production. We will set up the factory but eco-friendly, that is no polluted, no pollution giving from the factory. And last one is personal objectives. Individual, personal means individual. Like first is adequate salary. First of all, you will allot, you will give, you will provide the good salary to the persons who is working in your company or organization. And next one is good working condition. Where your staffs is working, where your staffs is working, then we will have to provide good condition, good working condition. And third is peer recognition, that means group working. You will not say I will do it work, we will do it work, we will do it work. And training and development, training and development. And last one is social recognition. Okay, thank you.